What's happening, guys, and welcome back to Maui. My name is Kalani Prince. This is Master Yodi. This is Storm. And you are watching Aloha Stoked. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you an awesome secret waterfall while you guys are driving out to Hana. I highly recommend stopping at this particular waterfall. As you can see, parking is limited. You've got 2 spots here, 1 spot here really. That's not a parking spot. Then you've got about 5 over there. I don't know what the mile marker is here, but there's a tree. See this tree behind me right here? This tree is very recognizable. You will not see it while crossing any of the other bridges on your way to Hana. Let's just put this right about here. Yeah, that's pretty visible. Who's gonna get it first? Did you go up to the second one, the super secret one?
Nope.
Oh, you guys are missing out.
Is there one?
Yeah, 5 minute walk. It's epic. Have a good one.
Also recommend closed-toe like water shoes.
Yeah, water shoes are good.
Slippers.
Perfect. Look, Yodi is too excited. Yodi is a 4-wheel drive machine. Trail here to the right of the pool leads you up to waterfall number 2. You're gonna want to stick to the right side of the riverbed and just slowly make your way up. It's a dead end, so when you hit the end, after you traverse all of this, you'll be at the second waterfall. Yodi, don't make the rock all wet. Oh, great.
Oh, thank you for getting your foot wet.
Oh yeah, mission accomplished. Look at this. Dum, dum, da da dum, dum, da da dum, dum, da dum, dum, da da dum, dum, da da dum, dum, da dum. Okay, things are getting serious now, but we're almost there. Come on, Olukais, don't let me down. All right, guys, so there you have it. On your way to Hana, just pulling off the road there. I think it's like right around mile marker number 8 or 9 or so, but just remember that tree. Maybe do a screen cap of that tree and the area there so you can pull it back up when you're driving to Hana. And it's like a 5-minute hike up to this waterfall, and it's so beautiful. We're gonna go GoPro cam in a second so I can give you guys a little closer look at this hidden little gem. Oh yeah. Incoming! It's a good boy, Yodi. That is a good boy. Let's grab that GoPro and hit the waterfall. Oh, it's cold. There's like a cave in here. You can sleep in it. Where are you guys from? Vancouver, Canada. Oh, sick.